Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the word problems on multiplication and division of fractions. Everybody open your textbook, exercise 9.5, page number 176. In that first one, if 1 meter of cloth costs rupees 25, find the cost of 1 2 by 5 meter of cloth. Cost of 1 meter cloth cost given, we have to find the cost of 1 2 by 5 meters of cloth. So, see the first one solution. Cost of 1 meter cloth. Cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to rupees 25. 1 meter cloth cost is rupees 25. We have to find the cost of 1 2 by 5 meters of cloth. 1 2 by 5 meter of cloth. So here what we have to do, 1 meter cloth cost is 25 rupees. We have to find the cost of 1 2 by 5 meter of cloth. So what we have to do, we have to do the multiplication. So rupees 1 2 by 5 into 25. So rupees 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 2, 7 by 5 into 25. Okay, here 25, 5. 5 and 25 will come in same table. What table? 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Is equal to rupees 7 into 5. Rupees 35. Rupees 35. See the second question. Ram has 16 liter of paint. Ram having how many liters of paint? 16 liter of paint. If he uses 1 by 4 liter to paint a wall. For wall, how many liters of paint is required? 1 by 4 liters. So how many similar walls can he paint? So he is having 16 liters of paint. With that 16 liters of paint, how many walls he can paint? We have to find. So second one, see the solution for the second one. Quantity of paint with Ram. What quantity of paint with Ram? Quantity of paint with Ram is equal to 16 liters. 16 liters. Okay, now quantity of paint used to paint a wall. Quantity of paint used to paint a wall. For one wall, how much quantity of paint is required? 1 4 by liters. 1 4 by liters. So number of walls can be painted. Number of walls can be painted. That means using the 16 liters of paint, how many walls can be painted? Number of walls can be painted. So what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. 16 liter divided by 1 by 4 liter. So here liter cancel. 16 into 4 by 1. So 16 into 4 by 1, there is no value. 16 4s are 64. So 64 walls can be painted using 16 liters of paint. See the third question. Madhur cuts a 1 by 4 meter long ribbon into some pieces. Madhur cuts 1 by 4 meter long ribbon into some pieces. How many pieces will she get if each piece measures 3 by 4 meter? So the length of the ribbon is 1 by 4 meters. That ribbon he cut into pieces. Each piece length is 3 by 4 meters. So how many pieces he cut by Madhur? We have to find mom. Okay. So see the solution for the third one. length of the ribbon, length of the ribbon, length of the ribbon is equal to 2 1/4 meters. Okay, convert these 2 1/4 into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9/4 meters. This is the total length of the ribbon mark. So, length of each piece, length of each piece length he cut into pieces. So, each piece length is 3/4 meters. How many pieces he cut? Number of pieces cut by Madhur. Number of pieces cut by Madhur. So what we have to do the division. So 9/4 meters divided by 3/4 meters. So here meters cancel. 9/4. In the place of division, when we write into, we have to write the reciprocal of 3/4. What is the reciprocal? 4/3. Here which is possible to do the cancellation? 9/4 possible? No. 9/3 possible? Yes. Both will come in 3 table. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Again 4 possible? Possible. 4 1s are, 4 1s are. So 3 1s are 3. So number of pieces cut by Madhur, 3 pieces. Next, fourth question. If 1 meter of rope costs rupees 14, find the cost of 4 3/7 meter of rope. So this question will be like first question mark. Here also you have to write the steps. Cost of 1 meter rope rupees 14. Cost of 4 3/7 meter of rope is equal to rupees 4 3/7 into 14. Do will get the answer. See the fifth question. Mrs. Anand needs 15 kg of mangoes to prepare pickles. To prepare pickle, how many kgs of mango she need? 15 kgs of mango she need. If 3.5 kg of mangoes cost rupees 200, how much amount does she need to pay? So total how much amount she want? 3.5 kg is equal to 200 rupees. So total how many kgs she want to buy? 15 kgs mango she want to buy. So what is the cost of total cost she has to pay? What we have to do here? So total quantity of mango she need 15 kg. 3.5 kg cost 200. So 1 kg cost we have to find, ma'am. After that we have to find the cost of 15 kg mangoes. Okay. See the solution for the fifth question. Cost of 3.5 kg mangoes. Cost of 3.5 kg mangoes is equal to rupees 200. So 3.5 kg mangoes cost 200. We have to find the 1 kg mangoes. Cost of 1 kg mangoes is equal to rupees 200 divided by 3 1/2. 3 1/2. So is equal to rupees 200 divided by, this is a mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7/2 is equal to rupees 200 into 200 write the reciprocal of this one. 2/7 is equal to rupees 200 into 2, 400/7. This is the cost of 1 kg mangoes. So how many kgs of mangoes we have to find? Cost of 15 kgs of mangoes. Cost of 15 kg of mangoes is equal to rupees 400 by 7 into 15. Rupees 400 by 7 into 15. So do the multiplication. 400 into 15. 15 4s are 60. 6000 by 7. So do division with 7 ma. 6000 rupees. 6000 by 7. 7 8s are 56. 10 minus 6 here 10. Here 5. 4. Again 0. 7 5s are 35. 10. Here 3. 10 minus 5 5. 0. Again 0. 7 7s are 49. 50 minus 49 1. So the cost of 15 kg is rupees 857 1 by 7. Okay, 857 1 by 7. Understood? All these problems you have to do in your classwork with neat handwriting.